Practice test 25, the functions of myths in society. This morning, I want to talk about the functions of myths in human societies. Myths are traditional stories that explain natural events, cultural values, or the origins of people. Even if myths are not scientifically accurate, they serve important purposes. One example is Greek mythology. Ancient Greeks told stories about gods like Zeus or Poseidon to explain natural phenomena. For instance, they believed storms were caused by Poseidon's anger. These myths gave people a way to understand the world before modern science. Another example is Native American myths. Many tribes have creation stories explaining how the earth, animals, and humans came to exist. These stories also taught moral lessons such as the importance of respecting nature. These examples show that myths help societies explain mysteries, teach values, and strengthen cultural identity, even if they're not factually true. The professor discusses myths. Using the examples from the lecture, explain their role and how the professor illustrates it.